What's up, guys? Let's see if the camera is good. So we're entering a not that very good neighborhood. I don't know if I'm in frame. So we're entering a not very good neighborhood that there's another rehab that Gary is doing. The purpose of this video and what I'm doing, like my day in life, quote unquote, is to show you how an investor like me, I can do hard money loans, there's no problem. But hard money loans are taxed differently and flips are more profitable. And I want to learn more about the prices of the flips. How long does it take when I go and see the property or see pictures of a property? Oh, I've seen that property that was all gutted out with no floors. So I want to basically see how much it's going to cost me for different things such as roof or flooring or paint. So next time I go and see pictures of a property, I don't wonder how much it's gonna cost me to do this and that. Oh, turn around. To do this and that. I just wanna know the prices, and I don't wanna have the need to, I forgot my phone. I don't wanna have the need of somebody to tell me the prices. For example, every day I look at 50 properties. I cannot call Gary or somebody else and be like, hey, can you take a look at this property and tell me how much the rehab is gonna cost? I mean, they maybe look one or two, but then they're gonna be like, bro, I have work to do. Like, what do you think? I'm working for you all day. See, just learn the prices. So that's why I took that ride along with him, so he can show me which properties, how are they being fixed, and how much the prices are for the certain components of the house. So I've been here before. It was all gutted. This was not like that. This was terrible. There was no floors at all on this property. It looks way better now. They put new windows in. I've been here.
So this was all rotted out.
It was terrible. This was there was no floor. We were walking on a plank.
Okay, good. So this
Yeah.
is,
Man, I wish I had a video from before.
I had pictures.
Man, that was terrible. What's up, my man? ¿Cómo estás? Damn, it was bad. I remember it. So the floor is good now? I can step on it? That was bad. I remember you could have seen like the ground under. Wow. What a change $50,000 can make. Is it around 50?
No.
I don't want to know. Wow. It looks way better. I didn't know that's the address, because you told me the address, but I didn't know. Nice, man. Got a cracked window here, unfortunately.
That's a Home Depot special.
What, the cracked window? Yeah. Nice. Oh my god, I wish I had like... You can send me some pictures. I want to include it in the video. Wow, that was like bad, guys. That was bad. Wow. Maybe my house needs a rehab, bro. I don't know. It looks...
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
Freezing up the same floor.
Wow. I'm just shocked.
Brand new AC.
Nice. What is the countertop? Is it
Granite.
granite?
Just because it's not that expensive.
It's what?
It's not that much more.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Then quartz? What else do you put if it's not granite?
Laminate countertops.
Laminate. And quartz is what, in the middle?
It's higher grade.
Oh,
This is the cheapest.
quartz
This
is the
cheapest
highest.
granite you can get.
Okay, so quartz is the highest.
Yes.
Cool. You wanna go outside, talk to me about prices a little bit? Yeah, like floors and stuff.
So, I will show you in the back if you want to go.
Yeah.
This is our new master, so we made it up.
All right, that was nothing before. Wow, that is great. Wow, nice. That is nice. Cool, man. I mean, I like what you do. Definitely like what you do.
Way over budget, and just every wall was termite infested. I mean, it was just kind of a nightmare. So I'll show you. It's all the new siding here, because it's all.
Is that a beast?
That whole thing was rebuilt, and that's the new roof on there as well.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah. How much longer do you have to finish
We're
it?
just finishing up here, maybe a week.
A week?
Yeah.
Oh, this is what we walked on.
Yeah.
This is what we walked on before.
Yeah.
Wow. Damn.
So you remember this area here?
Yeah.
It was like a storage room.
Yeah. It
Really
was
nasty.
I don't think that was accessible. I'm not sure. I don't know if I've seen it. So it's another bedroom? Oh. So what are you gonna like?
The laundry room / bonus room.
Yeah. Okay. So it cannot be bedroom because that is here.
And I don't need a bedroom. I don't need a fourth bedroom.
Yeah. I'm just shocked how it all turned out.
Raise the ceilings out, do sheetrock.
Good, man. Wow.
And
How long? That was a long time ago though. It was not yesterday.
it was not yesterday.
What was it? 4 months? 5 months?
Something like that,
Yeah. That's a lot of work. And
But this is a new flooring system too. This is wood.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Because it's all the concrete's cracked and stuff down there.
Mm-hmm. But good.
So, yeah.
Shit. All right.
Cool. So that's one that's done, just about done.
Yeah.
Any questions?
Talk to me about the prices.
Price?
Roof is this much. HVAC is this much.
It just depends on the house.
Give or take. Give or take. Give the audience some frame of reference.
Oh, the audience.
Of course, I have like 3 viewers, man. Roof for a house that is 1,000 square feet, give or take.
First $5 grand to 15. Just depends on the size of the house and squares and all that stuff. So.
All right, HVAC is like 4 grand or so with the ducting.
Yeah, I mean,
If it needs to be.
extra, but I mean, I would say 4 grand's a good budget for AC.
If a house hasn't had a dropped ceiling, so the house doesn't have an HVAC or ducting, how much is that, give or take? Because I had a situation like that.
$1,000 in ducting, maybe?
Man, I thought it's like 10K and I didn't move on a house, and then
Oh, yeah,
a couple days later found out it's not that expensive.
Not that big deal.
Yeah.
So,
What else? Flooring? How much does flooring cost?
usually $2 a square foot or so, depending on where you get it from. I didn't know it would be on camera today. I thought it was
Of
just
course,
video.
man. Yeah.
So I do the laminate vinyl plank.
All right.
Yeah. So it's waterproof. It's really durable and stuff like that. It's the stuff we use inside there.
Mhm.
So, yep.
Windows are expensive. As far as I know, they're like 500 to 700 a window. No.
About 150 cost, and then whatever your guy puts them in for a window, maybe 100 and 150 a window to put in.
Oh, so it could go way cheaper than what I thought.
Yes.
I got quoted 700 a window in my house, but it was a company.
Standard windows are between $150 and $200. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. What else there needs to be? Siding?
Siding?
Yeah.
Depends on what kind of siding you're putting on.
That one. I don't know
The
what
LP Smart Side sheets are about $35 a piece.
a piece. Okay. And on this one, you put a metal roof. How much
It was
is
already
it?
existing.
Oh yeah, there was a metal roof already.
Yes.
Metal roof is more expensive,
Yes.
but lasts.
The guy who had this was a roofer, so
Mm-hmm.
he had a metal roof on there.
Okay, but it
It's
lasts way more.
lasts
so
like 50 years, right?
Okay.
Yep.
And the shingle roof is what, 20-ish?
Yeah, 2025 at Jacksonville with architectural shingles.
Okay. Cool. Well, I cannot think of any other
He's
price.
pressure washing some of that roof.
Oh yeah, because the
and
other
you just
side
gotta
is
go
not.
exactly. So
Yeah. All right. Well,
cool. On to the next one. Actually, on to Home Depot.
the Home Depot. Mm-hmm. So prices are not that. I mean, it's easy to know the price once you're seasoned flipper. For example, like obviously when I ask how much is a roof, there's a big difference. I have a property that is like 700 square feet. The roof on that property with architectural shingles was about $2,200 or so. On my other property that is 1,100, I think it's 1,100 square feet or 1,000, it cost quite much more. It cost me $5,000 with the friends and family discount from my friend Indrid, who maybe I'll show in one of the videos. So that's why it's hard to say, oh, this costs that much. It really depends. And also on my roof that I replaced, it was a little bit more expensive. I think it was $5,500 the total amount, because they found a few of the studs there, I think they're called studs, on the roof needs to be replaced. and that increases the cost. Same with the siding, depends which one you use. Same with the flooring, depends which one you use. But all in all, $2 to $3, I would say, for flooring, and that's kind of the easiest. If you have 1,000 square foot floor, you just multiply $2 times 1,000. That's $2,000 for floor. And obviously, this is considering you have a crew to do it. You can always do it yourself. Flooring is easy to do. I haven't done it, but it's easy. Pretty sure I can do it. But if you're not handy, maybe you're gonna call a specialist. They will quote you their prices for their labor because they need to pay taxes, workers, and so on and so forth. I'm not gonna go into the detail. Obviously, a company will be more expensive than if you have your own crew. Windows, I was quoted very big amount years ago, actually last year. It was $700 per, sorry, I'm turning on the camera, doesn't know what's going on. $700 per window, between 5 and 7. And now Gary here tells me it is not that expensive, obviously, when you have your own crew to put them in. But yeah, $300 a window, I might, when I renovate my house, I might just use him. $300 a window, I got 9, that's $3,000 if he gives me that price. That's awesome. But yeah, let's go to Home Depot and see what we're gonna get from there.